Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we will learn how to customize the Quick Access toolbar. Let's start with a blank Excel workbook. As we already know, the Quick Access toolbar is a customizable toolbar in Excel that stays visible while we are working with different tabs of the ribbon bar. You can add the frequently used tools to this toolbar so that you do not need to spend time searching for them every time you need them. So, let's learn how to customize the Quick Access toolbar to suit our needs. We can do that through the Excel option dialog box. Now, to get to this dialog box, the first method is go to the File tab and select the options at the bottom. We have the Excel options visible now. Select the Quick Access toolbar pane. I will close this for now. Another quick way to do this is, at the top left of your screen, you should have some tools already added to the Quick Access toolbar. If you right-click any of these tools, you should be able to see these options. Select Customize the Quick Access toolbar, and you will be back to the Excel options dialog box. Notice, if you right-click anywhere else, you will see different options. So make sure you right-click on the existing tools only. Now, in the Quick Access toolbar pane, we have the popular commands listed here and the commands in our Quick Access toolbar over here. You can choose to customize the toolbar for all documents or only for the existing workbook. By any chance, if you are not able to find the tool that you want in the popular commands, select all commands instead. Now you can see the list of all the tools that you can possibly add to the Quick Access toolbar. For now, let us keep this as popular commands. To add a tool, you simply need to select the tool and click Add. Let us add a few tools here. To remove unwanted tools, select the already added tool and click Remove. Once you have added all the tools you want, you can reorder them from here. Let's say I want the Create Chart tool to be on the extreme left of the toolbar. So, I will select it and move it to the top of the list using the Move Up key. Once you have positioned all the tools as you want, click OK. The tools will be available in the Quick Access toolbar. Now, if you want to remove any of the tools from the toolbar, you can simply right-click the tool and select Remove from Quick Access toolbar. Excel also allows us to position the Quick Access toolbar either above or below the ribbon. To keep it under the ribbon, right-click on any of the tools and select Show Quick Access toolbar below the ribbon. To position it back to the top, right-click any tool again and select Show Quick Access toolbar above the ribbon. So that was all about customizing the Quick Access toolbar. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.